Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add users, staff, accounts, and give workers access to your Shopify store. So this is useful if you have other people helping you manage your store and you want to give them access without sharing your own account. So to get started, I want you to open Shopify admin dashboard, and from here, look at the menu on the left side of the screen, then scroll down and click settings. So this will open the main settings area where you can manage different parts of your Shopify store. And once the settings page opens, look at the options on the left and select users. So this section shows the people who currently have access to your store and allows you to manage their roles and permissions. Next, look for the add users button near the top right of the page. And if you don't see it, your Shopify plan may not support staff accounts. Basic and Star plans don't include this feature, so you may need to upgrade your plan. If it's available, click Add Users and enter the person's name and email address. Double check the email since Shopify will send the invite there. After adding them, you can set their role and permission so that they only have access of what they need. Shopify uses this settings to control what each user can see and do. So once it is done, they just need to accept the email invitation to get access to your store. And that is it. This is how you add users and give workers access to Shopify. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.